अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स। मसला फिर दोस्त मागरी। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं कैश क्रॉप्स, कंट्रीज इकोनॉमिक बैकबोन। All the principal oil seeds are grown in India. For example, soybean, groundnut, cottonseed, linseed, sunflower seed, castor seed, mustard and rapeseed, sesame. Industrial raw materials in the manufacture of paints, varnishes, soaps, hydrogenated oils, lubricants. Vegetable oils produced from edible seeds like groundnut, rapeseed, and mustard, sesame, etc. are used as a cooking medium. Groundnut, the leading oilseed in also called peanut or mochi nut, it contains about 42% of oil which is extracted from the nuts found in the roots of the plant. Use it to make hydrogenated oil, margarine, medicinal emulsions and soaps. Its oil as a cooking medium. Its oil cakes is used as a cattle feed. The nuts are eaten raw, roasted, salted or sweetened. Mustard and rapeseed. They produce important edible oils. They are used in north as a cooking medium. Their oil cake is also important cattle feeds. The leaves of mustard are eaten as a vegetable. It's also used as a manure. Soybean. It has high protein content. The beans are eaten as vegetables or made into soya sauce. It is used as substitute for animal protein. It is consumed as soya milk and tofu. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower is rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids. Its oil is used for human consumption. It is recommended for heart patients. The oil cake used for food. Linseeds. It's a quick drying oil and is non-edible use for making waterproof fabrics, printing inks and paints. Its oil cake is used as a fertilizer. Castor seeds. It contains 50% oil for medicinal purposes as a lubricant, as a hair oil in the manufacture of soaps and leather tanning. Its oil cakes are used as a manufacture. Its leaves are fed to silkworms. Rubber. Rubber is contained from the milky juice or latex from various tropical plants, the most commercially important plants being Castilla, Manigolo, Zoe, Fiscus elastica, and Hevia brasiliensis. Hevia brasiliensis, also known as para rubber, accounts for 95% of the world's population of natural rubber. India is the fourth largest producer of natural rubbers. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is also a tall tropical variety of grasses family with a hard thick system which grows to a height of 3 to 2.5 meters or more. This crop is main source of sugar, gur, khodasari and holds a preeminent position as a cash crop in India. It accounts for the largest value of production amongst all the commercial crops. India has the world's largest area under sugarcane. India stands next only to Brazil in the production of sugarcane and accounts for nearly one-fifth of the world's cane production. Cotton. Cotton is the cash crop that supplies raw material to the textile industries in India. India ranks second in the USA in cotton producing area. She ranks fourth in the world production of the cotton. Tea. Tea is an important beverage like both an aristocrats and common man. India is the largest producer of export. Assam, Brahmaputra, Summa Valley, West Bengal, the Duras and Darjeeling, Tamil Nadu, highest yield per hectare, Kerala. Coffee, coffee robusta, coffee liberica, and coffee arabica. Thank you, students. Salam.